It looks like Apple is finally considering USB-C for their new iPhones along with a dark mode. A new rumor suggests that we should expect the 52-megapixel camera for the Sony Xperia XZ4, and Facebook wants to merge WhatsApp, Instagram, and DMs on Facebook Messenger for security purposes. I'm Jaime Rivera, and January, and pretty much the year is finally over, and snowing is just intense. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals, but deals just for today, so you need to move quick. The 2017 9.7-inch iPad Pro, which Sam uses, is currently for just $300 on Amazon's Woot. Obviously, it's a refurb, and again, you only have today, and by the time you watch this, it's probably late, but try to get on that. Now, for all three of you that are still on Google+, what, two? Okay, sorry, two of you that are still on Google+, well, the service is pretty much ending in February. There's a service called Google Takeout for those of you that want to pull your data. So I suggest you do that quick because nobody really cared about Google+. Now, for services that people do care about and the others that we're getting pissed at, let's talk about Facebook's new move where they want to move or merge pretty much WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger DMs, in addition to also Instagram DMs into one service, according to Facebook for privacy, which I'm not going to take given everything that's been going on with the Facebook research thing. Apparently this is going to happen in 2020. We would love to know what you think in the comments because I'm sad that the services that I like most, being WhatsApp and Instagram, are part of Facebook. Now let's talk about the Sony Xperia XZ4. We're expecting to see something at MWC. We've got trusted sources claiming that we should expect this phone with 3 cameras. One with a 52-megapixel camera, which Sony hasn't announced that sensor. The second with a 16-megapixel, and then apparently there's a 0.5 that brings time of flight 3D sensing. Let's see what we get in the end. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with iPhones. iPhone 11, we've got Bloomberg reporting what to expect. The first one is that Cupertino is already testing USB-C models of the future iPhone, which is great, I guess, if they figure out USB-C. They haven't on the iPad Pro. The second would be that apparently they're working on the iPhone XR successor, and that there will be 3D sensing in the cameras, not of the XR, but of the larger variants. In addition, apparently iOS 13 will bring a dark mode. Let us know in the comments down below. I mean, what do you think? Do you think that these are things that you should want on the next generation iPhone, or do you still not care? Because in my case, I mean, fine, USB-C is great. It's just Apple doesn't get it right, but that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.